Hi, today I'm part of new UleFone Armor 17 and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So first we should open the control panel and find here sound icon. So just to activate silent mode, click twice to the sound icon and it will switch automatically to the silent one. Just turn off this mode, click on the silent and it switch automatically to the sound. Also we can make it by the second way, just press up or down volume button, then you will see here bell icon, switch this normal bell to the crossed one and you'll see that our calls and notifications, they will be muted. So this means that the silent mode is activated. If you wanna turn it off, just press up or down volume button and switch cross bell to the regular one. And now calls and notifications will ring. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.